Went to get some mail today. Nothing there except for a parcel that I ordered from Amazon. Just another mini tripod for my iPhone. So I sat there looking out this window. I thought I'd do a video about what I do on a rainy day. Seems silly because I sit in a bus just like a lot of people might sit in their apartment. But I have friends that live in the same area and they come by and talk to me. So I'm actually less alone than I would be in my apartment. I started driving off to get some fuel and stopped to take a few shots of the rain. I stopped to talk to two girls very new to van life who just arrived in Vancouver.
And I'm Jazz.
And you're both from where?
We're from Barrie, Ontario.
Canada.
Yeah.
And you bought the bus in?
Calgary.
And then you drove it home in the winter.
That's right.
No, in the summer.
And then drove back here. Oh, in the summer you did it?
Yeah, it took us 8 months to convert it.
Oh, really?
Very slowly.
Yeah.
We work an hour.
On purpose.
An hour a day on it or something.
Yeah, yeah. But look what you did. Amazing. I think it's really pretty, all the, like the barnwood and stuff. Hey, your dog's pushing my arm. I can't take it.
Come on in. You can come in.
Yeah.
And she's subscribed to my channel.
Boom.
Okay, you guys are going to say goodbye, but tell us more about what you plan to do.
Well, the ultimate goal is Alaska to Argentina, so.
Oh, awesome.
Take it pretty easy.
We're taking it really slow. Yeah.
When are you going to start? Have you got a YouTube channel?
No.
An Instagram?
Instagram.
What's the Instagram?
We're at VanWives.
At VanWives?
There you go.
Okay, there we go. I didn't have time to talk for too long or hang out with a long interview. I had to go grocery shopping and do some other important thing. So, on a rainy day in Vancouver, what do? Chores and tour vans with beautiful girls. Buy some groceries. Not much else. Boy, that's a very green light. I look real sick. I'm in a parking lot, so I can do this video inside here. So I hope you like my van tour. What I do is I take images of what I think is important, the personality they put into it. I really don't care what manufacturer made the vehicle. In this case, it's a Mercedes Sprinter. Look like a long wheelbase. But how important is that compared to what you saw regarding the inside? Essentially, the inside of most Sprinters and most vans is the same, except for those pretty little details that individuals put into them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I see you tomorrow, and I will if you subscribe, and you'll know about it as soon as possible if you hit that bell button. So have a good night, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.